So, students, today's topic is effect of change in demand and supply on equilibrium price. Means how does equilibrium price be affected with the change in demand and the change in supply of a commodity. First, we will talk about change in demand. Change in demand. Now here we will talk about how the change in demand affect the equilibrium price of a commodity. Means when we are talking about change in demand, that's mean the supply is remain constant. Means supply will not change, only the demand will change. We will have the initial diagram first. X-axis, Y-axis. X-axis represents quantity and Y-axis price. Now we will have the initial diagram. Here we are having supply curve SS and demand curve DD. This is the initial diagram where the initial price is OP and initial quantity is OQ on a point E, that is equilibrium, that is our initial equilibrium, where the demand curve intersects the supply curve at point is known as equilibrium point, and this is the equilibrium price, initial equilibrium price OP and initial equilibrium quantity is OQ. Now we will change the demand, which supply will remain unchanged. Supply curve will not change, but the demand will be shifted from DD to D1. Means we are here increasing the demand. Demand has been increased from OQ to OQ3. सप्लाई क्या है, जितनी थी उतनी है, but demand has shifted from OQ to OQ3. Now it will make the condition of increase in the demand, means there will be shortage of supply. It will create a shortage of supply and demand will be excess. And as we know, when demand becomes greater than supply, means when there is a condition of excess of demand, it also increases the price of the commodity. As a result of competition between the consumers and producer और consumer के competition से क्या होगा, price भी क्या होगी, increase करने लगेगी. The price will start increasing and it will cause increase in supply and decrease in demand. That's mean when there is an excess of demand, it will increase the price, it will lead to increase the price, and the price will continuously increase. Price क्या होगी, continuously increase करेगी till the demand and supply becomes equal to each other again. The price will continuously increase till the demand curve intersects supply curve from the at a point here. Demand curve and supply curve are intersecting each other. It will form a new equilibrium. Equilibrium E1. And a new equilibrium price will come OP1 and new equilibrium quantity will come OQ1. You can say increase in the demand increases the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity both. Equilibrium price और equilibrium quantity दोनों क्या होगी, increase कर जाएगी if there is a increase in demand. अब जो demand क्या होती है, increase होती है. Next example, when we are going to decrease the demand, we are shifting demand from DD to D2. Now, this demand has been decreased and supply is remain unchanged. Supply जितनी थी उतनी है, but demand has been decreased. It lower price, and in this way price will start decreasing, and the price will continuously decrease until the demand curve it does not intersect at supply curve at a new point. यहाँ पर ये पॉइंट पे क्या होगा, डिमांड कर्व सप्लाई कर्व को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, and it will form a new equilibrium E2. A new equilibrium form E2, and a new equilibrium price has come. The new equilibrium price has become OP2, and new equilibrium quantity has become OQ2. Means decrease in demand will decrease the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity both. Decrease in demand क्या करेगी, equilibrium price और equilibrium quantity दोनों को decrease कर देगी. Here we have decreased the demand, and now the equilibrium price has just shifted from OP to OP2, the lower equilibrium price, and equilibrium quantity has been shifted from OQ to OQ2, lower equilibrium quantity. Now another thing we will talk about change in supply. How the change in supply affect the equilibrium price? We note down this. Now another graph we will take for the change in supply, where the supply will change. Change in supply. How the change in supply affect the equilibrium price? Before that, if we talk about change in demand, we can take change in demand in two ways: increase in demand and decrease in demand. And increase in demand has 4 steps. Increase in demand, rightward shift of demand curve, and this causes excess in demand. Excess in demand also increase the price as per the competition between consumer and producers. And when the price will start increasing, demand will decrease and supply will decrease, which will form a new equilibrium. Same way, decrease in demand means there is a leftward shift of demand curve. Demand curve will shift leftward, and it will cause decrease in price as the producer will start selling their goods at lower price. Thereafter, there will be increase in the demand and decrease in the supply, which will form a new equilibrium. Here now we will talk about change in supply. How the change in supply change the affect equilibrium price.
ठीक है.
We are taking here initial diagram. First we will draw demand curve DD, that will not change, and now the supply curve SS. Q. Initial equilibrium, where there is a equilibrium price is OP and equilibrium quantity is OQ at the point where the demand curve has intersected supply curve at point P. Now we will increase the supply. Supply curve increasing from SS to S1 S1. Supply has been increased from SS to S1 S1. Supply increases, that means there is an excess of supply. Demand is remain unchanged, demand is the same, demand is constant, and supply has increased. When the supply has increased, that's when there is an excess of supply. Supply क्या हो गई है, excess हो गई. When the supply become more greater, supply become excess in comparison to demand, the price will start falling. Price क्या होगी, decrease करना शुरू हो जाएगा. As a result producer will tend to sell their goods or commodities even at lower price. Lower price पर भी क्या करेंगे वो सेल करना शुरू करेंगे and the price will continuously decrease. Price will continuously decrease and till there is an intersection of demand curve and supply curve. Means decrease in price will remain continuing until there is an intersection between demand curve and supply curve, and it will form a new equilibrium. And it will form a new equilibrium price also. Equilibrium E1 decreases. The increase in price supply has decreased the equilibrium price. It has decreased from OP to OP1, and decrease in supply, increase in supply has increased the equilibrium quantity from OQ to OQ1. That's mean अगर जो डिमांड कांस्टेंट रहती है, सप्लाई क्या होती है, बढ़ती है, तो इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस कम होगी और इक्विलिब्रियम क्वांटिटी क्या हो जाएगी, बढ़ जाएगी. एज ए रिजल्ट प्राइस क्या होती है, कम होती जाती है, तो इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस कम पर सेट अप होगी और क्वांटिटी क्योंकि एक्सेस सप्लाई है तो इक्विलिब्रियम क्वांटिटी क्या होगी, इंक्रीज करेगी. नेक्स्ट वन देयर इज अ डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई. व्हाट द सप्लाई डिक्रीजेस S2. Now supply curve has been shifted from SS to S2. Supply curve is shifted from SS to S2. Decrease in supply. Decrease in supply result to excess of demand. Means there will be shortage. Demand जितनी थी उतनी है, लेकिन supply क्या हो गई है, कम हो गई है. Supply कम होने से क्या होगा, shortage होगी. Shortage supply होगी means excess of demand होगा. Excess of demand will result increase in price as a result of competition between producer and sellers. Producer and seller will both compete each other. Consumer will offer higher price to purchase the goods, and in this way the price will start increasing, and it will continuously increase until there is another intersection when there is again demand curve intersect with the supply curve at a new point which will form a new equilibrium. There is a new point, a new equilibrium will form E2, and a new equilibrium price and a new equilibrium quantity will arise. New equilibrium quantity will be OQ2 and new equilibrium price will be OP2. Means decrease in supply will increase the equilibrium price. The equilibrium price has been increased from OP to OP2. It has increased the equilibrium price, and decrease in price will decrease the equilibrium quantity. It has decreased from OQ to OQ2. That's mean if supply increases, the equilibrium price will fall and equilibrium quantity will increase. If supply decreases, equilibrium price will increase and equilibrium quantity will fall. We can understand it stepwise. First step, when there is an increase in supply. Increase in supply means rightward shift of supply. It will create excess of supply and price will start decreasing as a result of competition between producers and buyers. And as a result of decreasing price, supply will start decreasing and demand will start increasing, and it will form a new equilibrium where there will be lower equilibrium price and higher equilibrium quantity. And decreasing the supply will be known as leftward shift of supply curve. Supply curve will shift left or upward. You can say upward, or rightward you can say downward. Downward shift of increase in the price as a result of competition between producer and sellers. And the price will continuously increase until when there is a one more intersection with the demand curve and the supply curve. It will form a new equilibrium. A new equilibrium price will arise, which will be more than equilibrium price. A new equilibrium quantity will also take place that will be less than equilibrium quantity, initial equilibrium quantity. Means we can say rightward shift of supply curve will increase the equilibrium quantity and decrease the equilibrium price. Rightward shift, leftward shift of supply curve or upward shift of supply curve will increase the equilibrium price and decrease the equilibrium quantity. So I think you have understand the change in demand and supply or effect of the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity. In the next video we will talk about simultaneous change of demand and supply and its effect on equilibrium price and equilibrium